health is an integral part of life. But admit it, how often do we take the time to truly reflect on our effort in ensuring our bodies being fueled by the best? One hotel on the island is introducing a non-commercial trend to the island. Small but great initiatives will be done on the property. Learn more about Global Wellness Day.
Yes, June the 13th, we're celebrating for the first time here on island, and the Ritz-Carlton Aruba is celebrating Global Wellness Day. Global Wellness Day is really a day that we want to make sure that we can get the people to start living healthy. Maybe because one day could change your whole life. So basically, it's really this day we want to focus on the wellness of people. So what we're doing in the hotel is, like, for example, we are starting very early in the morning at 7 a.m. We have a yoga class at the beach, and then throughout the day we have the casino is going to be non-smoking for a whole day, and during bingo the casino will be handing out snacks, healthy snacks.
Ritz-Carlton guests will be the first to experience Global Wellness Day in Aruba, but the goal is to have more hotels and companies to pick up on this trend. Aruba could most certainly use more days where people are asked to reflect on their well-being.
Why the Wellness Day is important here in Aruba? I think with all the obesity that's going on in Aruba and people are being sick, it's important to stand still by a day of what you eat and to stop eating junk food or whatever. Be healthy, try to exercise, and think about what's important in life.
What a great concept. Coming up later on in the show, the ladies will explain the small gestures that will be taking place at the hotel this Saturday for Wellness Day. There are activities planned for hotel guests, but also for the general public of Aruba.